Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add the 2024 New Year countdown to your clips in CapCut. So here I've already import a photo, but you can always use video. And what you need to do is go to effect, click on the video effect, and here you can see there is 2024 section. Just click on that and you'll find, if you scroll down, there is a countdown. So there are two options, countdown and also countdown 2. So you can just choose which one to use for your videos. Okay, I'm going to just select the countdown 2. Just wait. Okay, click on the check icon and this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.